नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम वालेकुम, जय हिंद, आदाब। Akash Shukla, founder admin of Pan India and overseas educator jobs. We are very pleased to inform to all of you, to all the educators, the leaders, we are going to launch our website PIOEJ, that is Pan India and overseas educator jobs, just today on beautiful occasion of Devothan Ekadashi. So this is our platform. The URL is, you are seeing here, pioej.com. You can just log in by this URL, and this is the platform basically for the searching job and the recruitment. If you are looking for the job, and definitely you can just take the help of this platform. If you want to recruitment also, then we are having the feature in our website, so that you can go through that and you can just go through for the recruitment also. Okay, so we are the number one job hunting and recruitment partner now, just because of your support and perpetual love by all of you and the God blessings. Thank you so much once again. So we are going to start here the roadmap of this website so that it can help to you. See, this is the look of the website. Okay, here the number I have given to you here, the email ID Pan India and overseas educators job at gmail.com. These both are the WhatsApp number, okay, of Mr. Akash and Rishabh Saxena. And this side you will be seeing three tab like this. See the cursor, admin login, pay for the paid members login, and the employers login. Okay. If you are the paid member, then you can click on the paid member login like this. You will be getting this window for the paid members. And if you are the new, if you are not have just made your account, then you need to create or sign up. On sign up, you will be getting the new window, sign up form, okay, like name, email ID. Okay, whenever you will just put your email ID here, you will get the OTP on your registered email ID. Verification OTP, you need to fill it here. DOB, gender, each and every simple steps, whatever you are doing on the daily basis in your life. Okay, last salary dawn, salary expectation, already you had discussed with us on WhatsApp and Telegram also. So post applied like this. Okay, current. So these are the field you need to fill it. You need to upload your recent photograph. Okay, in this section you need to upload your payment screenshot. You need to upload your resume. Then you can click on submit here, and all the terms and condition you can see here. Okay, you will submit it, then you will get the email that your request has been sent to the admin for the approval. And when we will approve it, then you will get your user ID and password or on your email. After login from the same, after the login, you will just you will just put your user ID here, registration number and password, and just you can log in from here. So this was the scenario for the paid members. Okay, if we talk about the employers login, those who want to post their jobs, okay, so that they need to click on employers login like this. They will click on employers login. They will get the window like this, school employer login. Those who are the owners, principals, okay, HR, they can just fill this. They have to create also their account, sign up. They need to fill their details like employer name, school name, state, city, contact number, mobile number, okay, email ID, whether you are interested only for the advertisement or recruitment. Email ID you will fill it, then you will get the OTP on your registered email ID. You need to verify it and you need to submit it here. In the same manner, you will get the email, then we have to approve it, admin will approve, then you will be getting your user ID and password on your registered email ID. Then you can log in from there, from the login section like this. We clicked on employer login, and here you need to fill it your employer login user ID and password, and then you can log in here for your convenience. You can just save all the things like remember me, then you don't need to put again and again user ID and password. Whenever you will open, it will be login. Okay, now we talk about the home section. There are the few tabs. The bottom you are seeing here, home. By this you can go at home. Jobs, if you will click on jobs, it will show the three options. You want to see the jobs for the teaching or non-teaching of jobs, or you want to see the job for director, principal or vice principal. For overseas, you will be getting all the abroad jobs. Okay, if you will click on the services, it will show you like if you will click on the services, so these are the services in which we are going to deal. Okay, like all together, just a minute. See, like all together IT digital media website support you will get from our side. Okay, resume guidance, mock interview, legal guidance, career booster guidance, academic guidance, school application guidance, guidance and solution for UDIs, RTPF, withdrawal related cases or correction cases, also recruitment for any post, any organization, advertisement and brand promotion. It means you can just do the advertisement of your school. Okay, like you can send the YouTube link also, we can upload on this also. Any picture, school promotional picture, we can upload on here also by this services. Job posting directly by school employers, HR, principals. Those who are the paid members, they can also post their jobs for the teaching, non-teaching, principal directors, and as well as the overseas if they are having their own organization. Okay, and the employers also they can post. Conducting learning workshop by like CPD as per CPD continuous professional development on demand if you are demanding for that. And other than those who are not paid or those who are not the employer, they can also the post the jobs on our website. They can send on our WhatsApp numbers. Okay, they can send their vacancies on our WhatsApp number. We will update here, we will post here. Okay, now just we move towards the website, the next section. The first slider you are seeing here, these are the like feedback of the premium paid members, those who are paid members and those who are also non-paid, but still they are with us and they are getting our services. So these are the feedback of those members, including the founder videos also you will be getting here, like this founder, and these are the members also. Okay, again after this you will be going down, then you will be getting three sliders. The one slider is teaching, non-teaching job. You will be getting all teaching, non-teaching related job in this section. The second slider is for director, principal, vice principal job. You will be getting all that jobs related to administrative post. Third slider is for the overseas job. You will be getting all overseas vacancies here. As you are seeing here, principal required in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. That posted on this job posted on 29 October 2025. Personal recommendation you will be seeing here. Wherever the personal recommendation is mentioned there, it means then we know the people, we know the HR, we know the principal, we know the employer, so that we can recommend your resume on the personal basis with good remarks, so that it create the chances of shortlisting. Personal recommendation, it doesn't mean any kind of surety, any kind of assurance of job. That job totally depends on the person own capability, communication skills, the negotiation with the employer, convincing on your skills also. Okay, so jobs totally depend on your skills, on your negotiation. If anybody is going to give you the guarantee for the job, these people, they are fraud. Okay, so don't indulge in such kind of fraud activities. So there is no guarantee also on this platform, but this platform we have made only for the support of educators, so that you people don't need to go here and there. You can get all the things on a single platform. Okay, now we move little bit lower. There are two more sliders, like school advertisement for admission and brand promotion. Here you are seeing the school promotion. Some of the schools they have given us like either a YouTube URL for their podcast, their admission open, admission promotional videos, or any kind of school activities promotional video which can promote your school for the admission and for the publicity. So you can give this here. Okay, so we can just put it here. For the example, I just show you this. This is the one of the school. You will click on this. You will be getting the link like this. See, if I click on this video, it will be opening like this. You can just play it and you can see like this.
Trinity is renowned not just for its education but also for its empowering deeds, as it places more emphasis on the social aspects, offering needy scholarship for the suited best.
Okay. So in this manner you can see that like this, the pictures they have given DPS Bareilly for the admission. Okay. And some other schools like Raj International School affiliated to CBSE, admission open 2026-27, or like this promotional video for the school. In this manner, just you can give to us and we can just promote your videos also, like podcast. This podcast.
Someone who has studied in a tribal school, now you're owning 69 schools across India. How did that happen? How did you start it?
मेरा बैंक बैलेंस और 2000 रुपया था, उसी से चालू किया. आज इतना बड़ा जो एम्पायर जो बना है. There is a difference between desire and burning desire. Unless you are
He is the owner of the St. James Group of School Chhattisgarh, Dr. G.S. Patnaik. So podcast we are showing here. So in this manner, just you can just give to us your promotional videos of your school, or photos also you can give to us. And these are services already I described to you. Post job option, directly just you can click on this and buy admin, that will be posted by us. Paid member by employer also they can just post by paid member. If you will click on this, you will be going on the same page, paid member. Okay, and the same like if you want to just avail your services, then you can just click on the upgrade option. On upgrade, you will be getting this form. By filling this form, after the payment, you can subscribe our services also if you are interested. Okay, and about the vacancy portion, I tell to you. See, there are in teaching, non-teaching, there are two options. They are link-wise vacancy. If you will click on this vacancy, Bhiwani, Haryana, then you will be getting like this, required stand Bhiwani, Haryana. When you will click on this photo, then you will be getting the vacancy detail and you can apply directly. Okay, and if you want to share with your friends, family members, then you can share with Facebook, WhatsApp, and by other platform by this symbol. And this is the date by post, on which date this job posted. Okay, so by clicking on the link, you will be redirected on the particular vacancy. If you want to see all the vacancies, then you click on see more option. You are seeing this, see more. If you will click on the see more option like this, then you will be getting all details of vacancies posted by us till now. How many vacancies we have posted till now, like this you can see. Okay, like this. So these are the vacancies you can access directly. Sometimes we post the photos and sometimes we post text also. So by doing this, you can see. If you want to see this vacancy, then you can see this. DAV Public College, Ghaziabad. Okay. In the same manner, if you want to post your resume, then you can post your resume also by here, like this. Post your resume option for the recruiters. If you will post your resume here, then all the recruiters across the India and overseas, they can access your resume. Okay, like this. You will be getting this window. You need to fill your name, like citizen, you are from India or overseas, experience, post applied for, hometown, city. So such kind of things you need to fill it. Okay, you need to fill it, and then at last you can just post your resume here, upload your resume, serving notice period or no. Okay, any remark, then you can write here and you can submit. So all the employers across, recruiters and the paid members, even the admin, they can see your resume and we can do the needful for you as per your request. Okay, as per your domain also. And then at the bottom you are seeing option about us. You can see about us, who we are, terms and condition. You can come to know like this, terms and condition. Okay, and you can see our privacy policy also. You can see here. Okay, whatever you want to read, you can read it here. And about us, you can just come to know us. And here also some symbol, one symbol is here. By clicking this, you can just see like home, about us, the founders, who are the founder of this website, motto, what is motto, services which we are providing. You can see here again, one option is at the bottom also there, career. On career you will click this, you can apply the job. If you want to work with us, if you want to work with us, you want to become the member of the PIOJ, then you can fill this section, apply for. These are the some jobs which you can apply with PIOJ. Okay, then you need to submit a resume and you can submit it. Okay, for any kind of contact, then you click on this again, contact us, then you will be getting this. So this was a short roadmap about the website. You can access it, you can just feel the real look, dynamic look of the website. It took so many time, and I really thank to Mr. Yasser who just made this website, and this is a really very wonderful and the stimulating support given by him to us. Within 2 months he could just completed the website, but it is wonderful. It is giving a very good experience. And this section also, today's birthday, those members will be registered with us, their birthday will be showing here in this section. Viewed profile, the employers will be seeing the resume of those candidates, those who have submitted their resume, they will be seeing across the India. So the top viewed profile will be with photo will be showing here. Okay, so this was a short look. You can have the PIOJ and TM. It means already we are registered for the trademark. As soon as we will get the R symbol also. Okay, so I hope you will like this website. For any kind of recommendation, suggestions, you can just tell to us. हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, एक दूसरे की मदद करते रहिए. जिंदगी ऐसे ही चलती है और चलती भी रहेगी. यकीन मानिए, ईश्वर हम सबके साथ है और आगे भी रहेगा. थैंक यू सो मच.